Aishwarya Iyer, and I'm here to talk about my experience in Samsung Innovation Campus and how it helped me define my career goals. This program, which spanned 290 hours, took us from the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning to research and publishing an IEEE paper. This experience didn't just equip me with technical skills, but also helped me define my career goals and aspiration. It gave me the clarity and confidence to pursue my master's in the same field. As I continue my journey in the Masters of Artificial Intelligence, the knowledge and experience that I learned from this program is invaluable. Thanks to SIC, set up by SRIB at our college, Cambridge Institute of Technology, Kerpuram, I now have a clear direction and I'm more than excited for my future in AI.